Do you want to quickly remove yourself from a Facebook page admin role without affecting the page's other activity? Well, for that, log into your admin profile on Facebook first. And click over this profile icon. And from here, you can switch to your page. Now, on your page, again, click on your profile, go to Settings and Privacy. And from there, go to Settings. Now, scroll down your left-hand side and enter Page Setup. Then enter Page Access. Now, all the admin and moderator list will be in here. Just tap on these three dots beside your own name banner, and then click on Remove Access. When prompted, you're going to provide your account login password. As you can see, this will revoke all the power that you had with this account. And then hit Confirm. You're going to verify yourself if needed. And then you'll be removed as an admin and will automatically log out of that Facebook page, and you will end up on your own profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching.